Will ChatGPT replace me at work? It's a question that many of us are asking ourselves as AI technology continues to advance. ChatGPT, a powerful language model developed by OpenAI, is gaining popularity in various industries. It can generate human-like responses based on the given input. But, does that mean it can replace me in my job? Well, ChatGPT certainly has the potential to automate certain tasks and streamline workflows. In customer service, it can provide quick and accurate responses to common inquiries, freeing up time for more complex issues. Content creators can use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas and generate drafts, saving valuable time and energy. And data analysts can leverage it to process large volumes of information and extract insights at lightning speed. But, here's the thing: ChatGPT is just a tool, not a replacement for human intelligence and expertise. AI systems like ChatGPT need human guidance and supervision to ensure accuracy and ethical considerations. They lack the ability to truly understand emotions, empathy, and nuance that human interaction requires. So, instead of fearing being replaced by ChatGPT, we can embrace it as a powerful assistant that complements our skills. By working alongside ChatGPT, we can enhance our productivity, creativity, and problem-solving abilities. So, fear not. ChatGPT is not here to take our jobs, but to enhance and empower us in the workplace.